It is important to keep the cooling water temperature of cylinder jacket within proper range of temperature in order to maintain the engine performance. In daily maintenance, check the cooling water temperature of cylinder jacket is within the specified range that you are watching in the video. If the temperature is out of the proper range, newly overhaul the cooling water thermostatic valve once at around every 2000 to 2500 hour intervals. Close the respective valves of inlet and outlet of the cooling system and discharge water of the cylinder jacket. Detach the cooling water bypass pipe and cooling water collecting pipe, and then remove the cooling water switch valve assey and the thermostat case. Remove the element from the thermostat case. Check the removed thermostat for cracks on the valve, spring damage, and foreign matters on the sheet. Soak the thermostat in the cooling water and hot water for a few minutes, measure the valve lift, and check that the value is within the specified one that you are watching in the video. Renew the parts, the values of which are out of the specified ones, and mount them in reverse procedure to removing them. For the mounting position of thermostat, be sure to conform to the alignment that you are watching in the video.